Until 2020, more than 50 million devices, machines and things will be connected through Internet of Things worldwide. Your business can also benefit from IoT, for example with predictive maintenance, because nobody wants downtime, and downtime for elevators, escalators or building machines could not only annoy your customers' customers, but it could prove very expensive. Predictive maintenance by Deutsche Telekom helps you to reduce downtime significantly. Lengthy troubleshootings are history, so are unnecessary appointments, double service trips due to missing spare parts, or long outages. You may ask yourself how this is possible. Connected sensors monitor all important parameters and localize, before any downtime can occur, weak points and abrasion. For example, elevators jolting or vibrations, acceleration and positioning data are captured. In case of construction machines, sensors also measure temperature and humidity and transmit GPS data. An additional benefit: you can also locate machines and equipment, even smaller high-quality equipment like hammer drills, angle grinders or saws, and protect them against theft via GPS data. Data is transmitted via Bluetooth to a very small telecom IoT gateway, which is equipped with a SIM card and mobile connectivity of up to 5G. This ensures that data is safely and securely transmitted via the Deutsche Telekom into the cloud. Deutsche Telekom provides the secure, scalable infrastructure, and with the help of predictive maintenance, data is analyzed in real time to establish any need for action or to plan necessary service orders proactively. But this is only the visible part. The vendor-independent multi-IoT service platform of Deutsche Telekom is working in the background, and this platform offers significant benefits. Thanks to its standardization, it is very easy to integrate data into existing systems and applications, providing you with an IoT solution for predictive maintenance which optimally fits your specific business situation. Your major benefit: you get everything from hardware to connectivity over to dashboard and analysis from one single source. Telekom's one-stop shop makes it as easy and comfortable for you as possible. Predictive maintenance by Deutsche Telekom optimizes your maintenance intervals and avoids unnecessary travel and extra hours through contingency maintenance. And not only for elevators, construction machines and escalators. Predictive maintenance works equally well in logistics, production, automotive, utilities and many other industries. Result: reduced costs, more reliable planning and satisfied customers. IoT, powered by Deutsche Telekom.